Today we'll be doing a 80s video. So I have here 3 bags of empty hair products. Oh crap, that's just falling everywhere. And I don't really know if these type of videos are being done anymore. However, I've been saving up my empty hair product bottles for over a year now, so we're gonna do this video. Yeah, so I do have my doubts on the amount of y'all that are going to actually sit down through this entire video. However, I'm going to do my best to go through all these products really quickly because it's not as if anybody sponsored me for this video, so try keep up. Diva Curl Deep Sea Repair. I loved it so much the first time I used it that I went out and bought the bigger bottle. VO5 conditioner, nothing very special. I probably was just bored when I bought it. Cream of Nature with Argan oil from Morocco, Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. I typically use spray leave-in conditioners to moisturize my hair quickly in the mornings, but this one wasn't so great. Acai Naturals Lemongrass leave-in conditioner. One of the first spray leave-in conditioners I actually fell in love with. Well, not for actual leave-in conditioner purposes, but for moisturizing my hair in the mornings. Etenio Hair Care Style and Define Nourishing Mist Refresher Spray. I definitely recommend it. Hey, this Etenio Free at Last leave-in conditioner isn't cheap, but I keep repurchasing it because clearly I love it. And speaking about a clear obsession, African Pride Moisture Miracle Pre-Shampoo. Ooh, child! The slip from this product. Ooh, Castor, black castor and flaxseed oil. I really only bought this because of the hype and I have regrets. Yeah, so this happened. It was just one time. I wanted to give it a try. It was all over Instagram. It never really do nothing. Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel. As long as I have hair on my head, I'll probably continue buying this. Ooh, I remember liking this one. As I am leave-in conditioner. It had a lot of slip and it was very moisturizing, so I can't remember why I never bought it again. Probably just never blend with the Eco Styler Gel, so I got rid of this instead of the Eco Styler Gel. I might try this one again. Shea Moisture Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Wave Defining Lotion. It took me a hell of a long time to finally finish this thing, and it wasn't because I liked it so much, I was taking time to use it. Cream of Nature Pure Honey Hair Mask. It smelled bad, the hair product was too thin so it didn't last very long.
See? This is why you ask don't get sponsors, Viviana.
I guess it did give my hair some moisture. Miel Mongongo Oil Hydrating Conditioner. A protein-free deep conditioner that was very moisturizing, had a lot of slip, but it only lasts for one use. Etenio Chocolate Espresso Hair Mask. This deep conditioner is so thick and it smells just like chocolate. Camille Rose Naturals Curl Makeup. It had a lot of slip. It left my hair defined and not crunchy or dry. I don't know. For some reason, I just don't love it. The Main Choice Deep Strengthening and Restorative Mask Treatment. I bought this conditioner. I used it. I liked it. But I wasn't so sure if I really liked it or I just thought I liked it. So I bought it again. Yeah. It was good while it lasted. Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go. Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In Conditioner. Yep. Weightless and also pointless in my hair. Design Essential Naturals Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate Free Shampoo. I still love this shampoo, but I didn't purchase it again because it doesn't smell that great, and I found better. You know, I did like this shampoo, but another Cream of Nature shampoo stole my heart. Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. Very moisturizing shampoo, but it stinks. Cream of Nature Clay and Charcoal Softening and Moisture Replenish Shampoo. Pretty much the same shampoo as this honey one, but this doesn't stink. Curly Bell Almond and Shea Butter Moisturizing Shampoo. This is probably my favorite smelling hair product. Plus, it's a very moisturizing shampoo. However, it's kinda expensive. Curly Bell Thirsty Curls Leave-In Conditioner. I don't remember not liking it. Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Wash and Wear for Super Curly and Coily Hair. Curl Drench. What was this product? Oh! A cleansing cold wash. I don't use these things anymore. Cream of Nature Acai Berry and Keratin Strengthening Hair Mask. This product just didn't excite me at all. I was just counting down for it to finish. And it still actually feels like product in there. Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Damn, I use a lot of Cream of Nature. Thick, creamy, moisturizing. I love this leave-in conditioner. Definitely a favorite. Shea Moisture Mongongo and Hemp Seed Oil High Porosity Moisture Correct. Two of them have two different names. Different names, but it's the same product. Or is it? I really used to swear by this hair mask, but as of lately, it really hasn't been impressing me, so I'm done with purchasing this. Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. Same story, used to love it, not anymore. I'm done with it. Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. Yeah, same story. I'm done with this product. Shea Moisture Raw Shea and Kapuasu.
The official pronunciation is Kupuasu.
Wow.
Shea Moisture Raw Shea and
Kupuasu.
Frizz Defense Hair Mask. Another Shea Moisture Deep Conditioner I swore by, but I haven't been able to find it again. I guess it's discontinued, but it probably don't even work for me anymore. Lotta Body with Coconut and Shea Oil Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. My absolute favorite moisturizer, and as long as it doesn't put a shea moisture on me, I'll keep buying it. Acai Naturals Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner. I really have no memory of using this, but since I didn't buy it again, you can make your own assumption. Miel Organics Babasu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner. I think my main complaint was that it didn't last very long, so I didn't buy it again. The Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Hair Mask. Another hair mask that was great, but only lasts for one use. Neutrogena Triple Moisture Deep Recovery Hair Mask. This is another deep conditioner that one bottle only gives me about 2 uses, but I really like this deep conditioner, so I keep buying it again. Design Essentials Natural Curl Stretching Cream. This took me a very long time to finish, but it's because I had a lot of other products trying out. I like it. I bought it again. Perfective Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. I remember this not having a lot of slip, and it wasn't very moisturizing. TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. I can't remember it being that great, but I think I might try it again, since I don't remember hating it. Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream. This I remember hating. The main choice, Ancient Egyptian Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion. I don't remember loving this product. I don't remember hating it. I guess it was blah. Naturalicious Moisture Infusion Styling Cream. Thick, moisturizing, and leave my hair frizz-free. I love this styling cream. Woo! This is a lot of product. OGX Extra Strength Hydrate and Repair Argan Oil and Morocco Hair Mask. This tiny little 6-ounce container was not cheap, but it did leave my hair moisturized. It had good sleep, but one use? Come on, I'm not buying this again. Rosanna Ferretti Softening and Smoothing Hair Mask. You guys remember my $80 deep conditioner? Hair what? I'll just leave the video up in the iCards and you can go watch it. FRIZZY Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor. I just don't understand why everybody liked this product. It didn't have any slip and it didn't do anything miraculous to my hair. Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. Clearly it wasn't that good for me to remember it because I don't remember it. Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. Why are all the Curls products unmemorable to me? ORS Olive Oil for Naturals Butter Whipped Leave-In Conditioning Cream. It smelled nice, but it wasn't very moisturizing. TGIN. Damn, this looked terrible. This was one of my favorite deep conditioners for a long time, but you know, time goes on, you meet other products and sorry, it just got left behind. Carol's Daughter Rosalee Softening Hair Mask. Oh, yep. This product is the reason I stopped using the TGIN because this is protein free as well, but this is thicker. I just love it a lot more. Design Essentials Natural Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. It didn't smell too great, the product was kind of thin, and it wasn't very moisturizing. Design Essentials Natural Curl Forming Custard with Honey and Chamomile. I really enjoyed this hair gel. It left my hair very moisturized, defined, but the only thing is, it doesn't give me a lot of hold, so my wash and go doesn't last very long, so because of that, I'm not buying this again. Design Essential Natural Curl Enhancing Mousse with Olive Oil and Vitamin B Complex. I have no complaints about this mousse, but will I buy it again? I doubt it. Camille Rose Naturals Almond Whipped Butter Gel. I remember this giving me some really good twist outs, but after 1 hour with Jamaica's humidity, nope. Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In Detangler. I only bought this because it's so hyped up on YouTube. I didn't hate it. I didn't love it either. FRIZZY Curlific Texture Treatment. I clearly have a thing for buying hair products just because they're hyped up on YouTube, because this is another one of them. I could hardly spread it throughout my hair, and then after I rinse it out, I didn't feel it did much for my hair. Cream of Nature Straight from Eden Natural Oil Infused Hydrating Conditioner. I just used this the other day in my green only wash day video. It has a lot of slip, it's very moisturizing, I love it. Lotta Body with Coconut and Shea Oils Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. This is my favorite mousse. I use it for twist outs, braid outs, curly styles, flexi rod sets, wash and goes. The main choice, Pink Lemonade and Coconut Shampoo. The cover lost. I didn't really like this shampoo, just too expensive. The main choice, Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Shampoo. Same story. I loved it, but it's more expensive than the other shampoo that I like, so I'm not buying this again. Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo. Smells great, doesn't leave my hair dry, it even has slip. The main choice, Pink Lemonade and Coconut 5-minute reviving mask. I just finished using this deep conditioner in my pink only wash day video. So go watch the video.
If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro.
Curly Bell Curl Defining Cream. Smells great, works great, but I think it was just a little too pricey. Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish Fortifying Conditioner. I love this conditioner. I need to go buy a new one. Tresemme Flawless Curls Curl Hydrating Conditioner. It was cheap and it lasts long. Eden Body Works All Natural Curl Defining Cream. I didn't buy it again. Draw your own conclusion. Last product. RS Hair Restore Hair Mayonnaise. I remember using this product when I was relaxed, but I've discovered a whole new love for this deep conditioner on my natural hair. Child. And that's it! I'm done. Oh Lord, I'm done. Woo! And those are all the hair products I finished in 2019. Not to say that I started using them in 2019 and finished them in 2019. I probably started using them a while back, but they finished this year. Okay beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found some product recommendations throughout. If you weren't absolutely bored and did not completely hate this video, give me a thumbs up. I know, I'm setting the bar really low today. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, it's okay, I understand. You want us to get to know each other a little more before you make the commitment to subscribe. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave some more of my videos up in the icons so you can watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after like the second or the third video, you should realize that we clearly vibe together and you enjoy being here, so you might as well subscribe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Mwah.